curtain just outside Boston. So what we're going to do is this. We're going to see this little lady. Hello.
Morning.
How are you?
Yeah, great.
How's your tooth? Yeah, better. Well,
Don't have
toothless.
teeth. Yeah.
Good. As long as you're alright, yeah?
Sort of.
Okay. Bless her. Right, so we're in curtain. So we're going to take away this old iron gate here, because it's not secure. We're going to put a new gate here, which is along here, and then we're going to do some fencing along this bit here. So that's what we're going to do on that side, and then on this side we're going to put the same customer. We're going to put a gate where that iron gate is. We're going to put a small gate there just to enclose that. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. Yeah, I know. I hope he doesn't.
No, me too.
I know. Come on, let's get going then, babe. On my hands and knees again. I'm always on my hands and knees. Anyway, big gate. This is a 1.1. We've done it bigger, so if you're going for your bins and stuff like this, it's big enough to get through. You don't want a 900 because you've got a sill here, a window sill. So you just want it slightly bigger, so when he opens it, you can then get through with his bins. So if not, it'd be a bit tight, wouldn't it? Right, so if you come a bit closer, please, if that's okay. Right, so I'm not going to dig the next post right to here because I've got the cement for this post. So I'm going to go in 1.5 feet to about here. I'm going to dig 2 feet down like I've done for that one. Dig it down, post it, then I'm going to put the battens to it just to secure it, and then I'll do my tacking later when it's a couple of hours time when it's dried, because I've got a gate around there. So I'm going to do that one next and then come back and tack this. But I've got to make sure this is dried before I start tacking. True. Isn't level, as you can see, so it's going to be tight here, but down there I was going to do at an angle, but it don't look so good. So I've spoken to the customer. What they're going to do is they're going to put more stones there so it doesn't look so much of a gap, which is going to look okay. The customer's happy about it, so it's all right. Find a small piece of wood. single gate, floor's level, 4x2 here, 2x1 to here, so I'll be able to shut it and lock it here. You'll be able to padlock it as well. No point doing it any higher because it's going to look silly, so we're just going to do it level to here, so it'll look nice. There she is.
The little Weetabix thingies.
Well, you've only just had your breakfast.
I'm still hungry.
Are you still hungry? Oh, steady, steady.
Come and show them the gates then.
Okay. Are you okay?
Yeah, let's go.
You worked hard, didn't you? Right, okay, so we put the trailer here. We've taken away all this ironmongery here, which was here. Along the bottom, the gate. So you can drive this car all the way through. Got a beautiful looking gate there. That looks beautiful. Nice and level, spirit level on the top. It's nice and level. So that looks nice. That's looking from the inside. Nice and level. Everything's nice and level. I didn't go too close to that post because it obviously has got cement around it. I didn't want to disturb it that much, even though people say, oh well, cement posts don't move. Well, that is on the piss, but okay. That's that one. There's the iron gate what I took off. That was a BITCH, one of them. Whew. And then just round the corner is that gate. Nice and level to the edge of the thing. It looks silly if it's a small arch one. It'll look a bit too silly really. So we kept it nice and straight. That looks lovely. So just got to put the trailer back on the van and then we're good to go, aren't we? Huh?
Good to go, yeah.
Good to go.
Okay.
Are you helping?
Yeah, of course. I help.
Okay, she does.
Yeah. Don't say I don't. You're saying I don't.
Hold on, show me them little fingers.
I know, they're mucky. Look, look, you see? You can tell that I do work, hard work. Look, look. Yeah.
Show me.
Yeah.
Look, kind of. Hold my finger. Look, it's like a little baby. Don't put that finger up, you naughty bugger. Okay then, let's get going. Hey, right, so we're in Curtin in Boston. We've already done 2 gates for a customer here who has got another house in Curtin in Boston, but he rents out. So we've done them 2 gates and he wants a gate here. So we're going to go along here. It's marked up on the floor. I haven't made a big gate because if I make a big gate it's going to look a bit silly. So I've made a smaller gate so he can walk through but lock it, because this isn't his land up the side here, and people, what they're doing is they're walking from the other side of that green thing through here, and it's a shortcut, which is a bit naughty really, I think anyway. So he just wants to close that off so people can stop walking through his garage. Such a slope here, so I'll have to make that higher, but there's nothing much I can do. If I put it to the ground it's going to be like that. The hinge is going on the inside, so I'm just making sure that's nice and level, which it is. Right, okay, so what we've done is we've done a 4x2 post to the wall. Okay, it's a garage wall. Okay, I know because of that post there, I've got 2 bricks in and 2 or 3 bricks that way, so I'm all good on this one. 8mm wood and cement like normal. 26mm countersink so you can't see the bolt head. Okay, and then it's only a small gate, so I've only put 100mm anchor bolt in. 3 hinges as normal. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to dig the hole. The post is going to go down here. I'm going to dig it sufficient enough for the cement to go around. In other words, you don't need a huge big hole, but just enough so there's plenty of cement around it, so it's not going to move around, because I'm going to do a small infill into here. Okay? So that's what I'm going to do. I advise the customer not to have the gate so big, because remember, the hedge is going to grow, so you know what I mean. So make it a little bit smaller. It's not getting any bins, it's just for people to stop walking onto his property. Okay, so we're going to make it a bit smaller, infill there for security. Heavy.
Morning.
Well, it's sunny random again. Customers make it, if you can hear that, that's the kettle. She's got the kettle on forward. She's making us a nice cup of coffee. Isn't she?
Yeah.
So we're just going to take these off. I'll put solid ones up. Okay, so I've just measured that out, and I'm just going to put in these. I'm going side to side, like normal. Just going to make sure that doesn't go underneath. So once the customer puts their thing there, that's fine. How's everybody today?
Yeah, everybody's fine.
Yeah?
Yeah. They're sat at home in the nice hot chocolate watching us.
Yeah.
In the freezing cold.
It is
Fine.
cold today, isn't it?
Trying to fight against the weather
Yeah.
and the daylight. It's dark now, isn't it, at 5?
It's dark at 5. It's silly.
Bedtime then. Videoing.
Are you what? What are you doing?
Live.
So, the reason I'm putting a 4x4 to the wall is these are too big for a 4x2.
Hinges, you mean?
The hinges are too big for the 4x2, so we have to do a 4x4. So, from an iron gate to a full solid one, just over 6 foot, which is brilliant. So if you're standing where Moni is videoing, you can't see over. It's more secure, isn't it? It's more privacy.
Yeah, you can't see through it.
You can't see through, which is really good. Unfortunately, the floor is way out, but at least the gate is straight. So if I put a spirit level on here, I know it's nice and straight, but it's going in a dip either side, which is unfortunate. But we can't do much about that, can we? No. So it's all good. And wait 1 second, wait 1 second, wait. Wait, what's happened to this little one?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
How you doing?
That's cool.
You been alright?
Yeah.
What have you been up to?
Busy helping you.
Oh yeah?
That's what I always do.
Show me your fingers.
Why? Yeah, they're all mucky.
Look how tiny they are. Spread them out.
I need a
Look.
manicurist, don't I?
You know what?
a manicure to get my money's worth.
Do you think?
Not too close.
Yeah, the manicure the other day, didn't you? Not manicure, facial. How was it?
Skin's feeling very dry and sore.
It's the weather,
Yeah,
isn't it?
yeah. I need more than a facial, but
Well,
you know.
yeah. Look, it's look face. Okay then. You've done a good job, babe.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Sun's coming out now.
Yeah.